All right, welcome to 9240 on the MSC Seascape. Let's check it out.
Ooh, this is a pretty nice room.
This is a nice room. All right, so looks like we've got a couch first and foremost. Nice desk area. So what I like about MSC in the desk area is there tends to be lots of little cubby storage. You know, there's some on the side I saw. You've got some shelves here. We've got a mini bar, which is unlocked. Normally in the interior they're locked and you have to ask. So we've got a mini bar fridge. Okay. The outlet situation. People are always worried about the outlet situation. So you have two European outlets. We always bring our European adapters. You've got two basic AC adapters. You've got two USB ports, and I think, yep, there's another one over by the bed.
And the bed looks pretty comfortable.
So, nice size bed.
Queen size, I think it's queen.
I think it's a queen, yeah. This room is kind of a little, it's an unusual room because it's between two different classes. So on the other side there's it's a whirlpool room. So this is kind of the remainder. Plus this is where the ship curves in. So we've got a lot of nooks in this room.
But a lot of storage for bags and so on.
But yeah, this is going to be a perfect spot to put luggage and things like that. Oh, Chris, you got to check this out. I think we're ruined. Oh yeah, look at this. And it's covered.
It is covered.
It's covered. Little rain shower just came through, so it's a little wet. But we've got two loungers and two regular chairs.
The room's next to us. This one does not have the angle. So this is a really large balcony. But up here, these up here are all the standard ones, which are a little bit more shallow for balconies. Versus the ones down here are the extended balconies. So that's what makes this one even nicer. Take a look at some of the closet areas. There's this large mirror right by the bed, and we'll just kind of leave that at that. But nonetheless. Closet area, I'm thinking this will be pretty standard for these newer ships.
We were on the seashore just a few months ago, so very similar. You've got shelves, your safe, two drawers. The bottom one is a dummy drawer. And then the spot to hang your stuff, and then some little cubbies below for shoes or whatnot that you could put on the bottom.
Okay, and then the bathroom, I'm thinking it's probably standard.
Looks pretty standard.
Oh yeah, pretty standard. As you can see, they've got some nice spots up there to put your toiletries and so on. Pretty standard outlet right down here. The shower situation. This is a pretty compact shower, I will say.
Well, very similar to the seashore, though.
There you have it.
There you have it.